Make any shape anytime easily. Welcome to our another video. You are watching adobic. First method, take hexagon tool and double-click anywhere. Now fill shapes sides number in box. Fill 3 for triangle. Hit OK. Now your triangle is ready. Now I will tell you second method. Take hexagon tool again. Drag with mouse and hold mouse button. Now hit up and down arrow key from keyboard to increase or decrease shape sides. When rotating then, you can hold shift to align this. I am selecting Essential Classic Workspace. From Transform option, you can adjust width and height. We can change sides anytime. In third method, we can change already made shape anytime. Go to Windows menu and then select Properties. Click on 3 dots. Now you can increase or decrease already made shape sides anytime. From this slider, you can adjust sides too. You can rotate from here. Adjust corner roundness from here. You can also round it only selected corner by selecting that anchor point from Direct Selection tool. Drag mouse on this circle to rounded corner. Adjust shape radius from here. From here, adjust shape sides length. Now you can make this easily.